Happy Valentine's Day! Today I'm going to show you how to paint this flower puppy as a greeting card. I'm going to use this set of Paul Rubens 24 color watercolor paint set and a cold press watercolor block. And I'm going to give these two products as a prize to a lucky winners. And in the middle of this video, I'm going to show you how you can participate and possibly win this set of products. Let's start the painting. First, I'm going to go with the wet into wet. I'm going to go with the red color first. Very intense. I'm going to start from the top over here. So this is with the flower and catch the shadow. So I'm going to move it even a little bit higher. Here you go. Know where you're going and how you're going to do it. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little color over here too. And a little color over here on this side. And also on the top over here, and then have a little flower on this side. Now all the way coming down, there will be very beautiful compositions. Okay, there you go, like that. And the colors are very intense with this Paul Rubens brand of color. Okay, now I'm going to clean my brush. Now quickly, I'm going to change to a little bit purplish color. I'm going to take this, continue coming down, and those colors would all merge together very beautifully. Okay, leave a little gap. Okay, that's good. And coming all the way down over here, I'm gonna have a little bit lighter. I'm gonna take that, get a little water, get a little bit lighter, remove some of the wet. Okay, have a little bit lighter like that, have a little bit translucent, and this is good. I want to continue. Take this color, continue coming down here, and also a little bit on this side. And now I'm going to leave a little light shape over here. I'm going to come back to do that a little bit later and see a little bit light shape. And here you go over here too. I'm going to keep a little light shape. I'm going to come back with a little bit lighter color, and now I'm going to get even a little bit darker purplish color coming on this side. Here you go. And some of the area need to wait until it dries and come back to paint that, make it a little bit more clear. Okay, here you go, coming down over here. That's just the shape for the flower. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna continue into the space of the cast shadow. Very much it's the same color over here. And this is maybe a very too dark. So I'm gonna take this color first, and with this, and take a look at the catch the shadow. Here you go, like this. You're gonna continue because the catch the shadow affected by the flower. Okay, here you go. There you go, coming all the way down over here. It start from this, and now I'm going to have a little bit more, a little bit darker. Now here you go. Take this color. Okay, it's wet into wet. They're gonna merge together really well. I'm gonna gradually go into a little bit more and more blue color. There you go, like that. And as you're going down, a little bit more water. There you go. That's good. And make it look interesting. Now as we gradually coming down over here, I'm going to add some more blue color. So it's wet into wet, very important. This blue a little bit more warmer blue, it's a red shade blue. So I'm going to take this a little bit more red shade blue. I'm going to take these two together, and by have a little bit more like a French ultramarine. This is good. Now I'm going to continue down over here, keep it going down, and here you go, like some interesting shape, and coming onto this side. And those colors are going to be all connected. Here you go. Down over here like that. And keep going. And a little bit more blue color in the composition. There you go. Like this. And I'm going to get a little bit more brighter blue color. And I'm going to get even a little bit more green shade. And a little bit green shade over here. There's a little bit green shade, blue color. Now I get a little bit more and more and change the color. Okay, that's good. Now we're done the wet into wet process, and the paint is still wet, so we're gonna take a 15-minute break. I'm going to tell you how to participate to win this set of high-quality Paul Rubin watercolor products. The steps to participate is in the video description. First, you go to this YouTube channel, Enjoying Art Magic. Subscribe if you haven't, and watch at least 2 videos thoroughly. And under each video, leave a comment to tell us what you have learned in that video and what would you like to see in a future lesson. Your name will be entered into the random selections for a winner. In our Enjoying Art Magic YouTube channel, we already have 35 full lessons. If you like to paint acrylic or oil, it will be perfect for you. Come to visit our channel, enjoy and painting with us. All the paints are already dry. Let's take a look at the catch the shadow area. So I'm going to use a wet brush. Just use the water. Now I'm going to softly wet this area. I'm going to create a little bit more separation between the catch the shadow and the flower. Okay, I'm going to wet this area. Here you go. This is good. Now after wet this carefully, I want to wet the entire area in the catch the shadow. So the new color is gonna all merge together, make it look better. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna use this a little bit darker color like that. Oh, actually I want it a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna take this color, a little bit brighter, start with right under here. Here you go, like that. I'm gonna keep a little bit gap over here for the details. That's good, like that. Yes, that's good. I have beautiful, a lot more intense color right under. And this calligraphy brush is very soft, so it won't remove too much color. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna have this all the way coming down over here, like this. Here you go. Now the catch the shadow look much smoother and also a little bit more separate from the flower. When I come down over here, I want to give it a little bit more blue. Okay, now I'm going to take a little blue color over here. Here you go, like this. A little bit more blue would be a little bit away from the color, the effect by the flower. Okay, this is good. Now the catch the shadow look much better. Now I'm gonna come back to take a look at the flower area over here. I'm gonna use lifting to make this a little bit softer. Okay, I'm gonna come back to add some details right after. Make that a little bit lighter. This is good. This is already light enough. So this area, I'm going to make it a little bit lighter to show a little bit more detail, because since this is very close to us, so I'm going to make this lift up a little bit. Okay, this is good. Lift up a little bit softer over here too. Okay, this is not a gap. I just want to have color coming in here. That's good, like that. A little bit softer. Okay, now I'm going to start adding a little bit details to the top. I'm going to mix this color with the red together from the top over here. Now I'm going to start have a little bit gap over here, a little detail like that. This is good. I'm going to have the top over here. Make a little shape and Here you go. Have a little shape coming over here in. This is good. A little bit in the center over here. Coming down a little bit more yellow, orange, red, and then a little bit more purple, turn into the warm blue, and then the cooler blue. Okay, when you take this looks good, and have a little bit purplish right here on the top. Okay, again, Paul Rubin making it very bright color, very bright. I'm gonna have this moving up like this. That's good. I'm gonna have a little bit something, a little bit separate from the color over there. Have a little bit color on the back. Okay, that's good. And that's good. I'm gonna have a little bit purple with a little overlay wash. Okay, like this. And wash that whole area, the whole petal at the front. We're gonna have a little bit darker. This color pretty dark. And take a look. This press this color even darker. Okay, that's good. Now here we go. I'm gonna have a little bit wet into wet. Keep a little bit darker. A little bit darker in this side. Here you go. Even a little bit more darker color. Just put in here. Here you go. A little bit darker. Like that, right underneath. I'm gonna lift up a little bit in the middle over here. Just open up the calligraphy brush. Look like a little bit flat, right? I'm gonna take, just lift up a little bit. That's good. That's good enough. So give a little bit suggestions of texture. Okay, and I'm gonna have this. Make this a little bit more clear. A little bit darker. A little bit more clear. Right here. Okay. That's good. Very beautiful. And now I'm gonna paint the stem coming down here. Okay, before we go into that, we also need to give little suggestions that right under this shape. So make it a little bit more clear. So this is actually part of the flower petal. That's good. Look at that. A little bit darker details now. Now a little bit more drive now. A little bit easier to make it a little bit more clear. Okay, here you go. A little bit clear over here. Over here too. Okay, we don't need to overdo the details. Okay. And a little bit purplish. Have a little detail here. Like that. A little bit over here too. That's good. Now take a look at the, we're gonna use this green color. This should be good enough. Or maybe too much blue. This is good. I'm gonna start with this color. Maybe mix a little bit yellow green. Yeah, I'm gonna use this color. Start with. Okay, here we go. Where it's gonna start? Start in the middle over here, right? And come all the way onto this angle, coming down. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna start over here. Here we go. Okay, maintain the width. Okay, here you go. And coming down all the way. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's very well. Now the top over there, I'm gonna add a little bit darker color. So mix the dark color. I'm gonna have this very pretty dark color. This with this green color together. Now mix together. Now to be dark enough on this side. On the other side, I may have to light up a little color by lifting up, but may or may not. We're gonna see. Okay, coming all the way over here. So this is the shadow side of this stem. Okay, that's very good. And take a look on this side and make it a little bit lighter. Now, even have a little bit more bluish colors, because I'm gonna take this color, mix it into it because they catch the shadow. Okay, a little bit consistent with the color in the flower catch the shadow. Now here you go. Now coming over here. Here you go. Now coming all the way. Continue. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and turn on notification. I'm looking forward to see you in our next video.